Istanbul's rise as a hair transplant hub, a controversial success story. The new capital of hair restoration? In the bustling city of Istanbul, a remarkable transformation is taking place. With over 500 specialized clinics, this vibrant metropolis has become a global destination for those seeking hair transplants. The streets are filled with advertisements, showcasing the success stories of satisfied customers, and the airports buzz with medical tourists eager to undergo this life-changing procedure. But here's where it gets controversial. Turkey, and Istanbul in particular, has emerged as the unofficial capital of the hair transplant industry, attracting patients from all corners of the globe. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the savings. It's a complex interplay of psychology, social media, and a booming healthcare industry. A global phenomenon. Dr. Mehmet Erdogan, a renowned hair transplant specialist, runs the state-of-the-art Smile Hair Clinic in Istanbul. Since its opening in 2018, the clinic has treated an impressive 500 patients annually, with a success rate of 90 to 95%. What's even more remarkable is that a significant portion of these patients, around a third, travel all the way from the United States. For Justin R., a registered nurse from California, the decision to undergo a hair transplant in Istanbul was a no-brainer. He told NPR that the entire procedure, including travel and accommodation, cost him a mere $3,400, a fraction of the quotes he received from clinics in his home state, which often exceeded $13,000. Turkey's appeal lies not only in its cost-effectiveness, but also in its comprehensive travel packages, which include hotel stays, airport transfers, and even sightseeing tours. The Turkish Health Tourism Association reports that in 2022 alone, approximately 1 million people traveled to Turkey specifically for hair transplants, contributing a staggering $2 billion to the economy. The risks and rewards. While the success stories are abundant, not every journey ends with a perfect hairline. The International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery has raised concerns about unlicensed practitioners operating in so-called black market clinics, where delicate procedures are rushed and patients may face complications ranging from botched hairlines to infections and scarring. Glenn Jankowski, a psychologist and author of the upcoming book Branding Baldness, warns of the potential medical risks beyond the physical results. He emphasizes the importance of having medically trained professionals perform the procedure, as excessive harvesting of hair follicles in one session can affect blood pressure. Jankowski also highlights the issue of patients being pushed onto medications like minoxidil or finasteride without full consent, emphasizing the need for proper medical advice and informed consent due to the significant side effects these drugs can have. The Turkish Health Ministry has pledged to tighten oversight and increase inspections, but critics argue that with an estimated 5,000 clinics in Istanbul alone, enforcement is a daunting task. The power of social media. So what drives so many men to sign up for this procedure? It's not just about the savings or vanity. It's a complex psychological phenomenon fueled by social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Jankowski explains that despite varying degrees of hair loss, most men worry about it due to the pervasive advertising surrounding hair restoration. Social media has transformed the hair transplant into a lifestyle upgrade, a makeover to flaunt rather than hide. The more men share their successful results, the more normalized the surgery becomes. A few months after his operation, Justin R. shared his experience with NPR, expressing feelings of renewed youth and confidence. He's grateful he didn't have to break the bank for the procedure. Dr. Erdogan acknowledges that the influx of clinics and customers has created a Wild West atmosphere, emphasizing the importance of patients doing their due diligence. Not everyone chooses this path, though. Jankowski, the psychologist, has opted for a different approach, embracing his baldness and finding beauty and wisdom in the process. For some, this may be the safest and most cost-effective choice. What are your thoughts on this growing trend? Is it a revolutionary advancement in cosmetic surgery or a risky venture? Share your opinions in the comments below.